Dashi Dele.
Hi.
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 Welcome to the Jinduk Twins world. My name is Sungdin, and today I'll be showing you how we stay active on the weekends during the lockdown. We watch Move to Learn and Cosmic Kids on YouTube. It's really good for exercise.
And slide, and slide, and slide. Oh yeah, working. We're working now. I like that. Don't stop.
Your turn.
Hands up, reach up, and bounce.
Hands up. Hands up. Yes.
And walk. And snap. Snap.
Your turn.
Break it down. Snap. 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 Snap.
Yes, come on. Come on. Jiggle.
Say it.
Yes, come on, jiggle.
And say it. Get ready and shoot. And shoot. And shoot. And shoot. And shoot. And shoot. Now time for defense. Defense.
Get him, come on.
Oh yeah. Defense. Oh yeah. Now chop. 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 Keep those and walk. Elbow swing. Elbow.
Use your elbow.
Pop it out. Go. Don't stop. Keep it going. You got it. 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 Here we go. Hop. And reach. And walk. Change that light bulb. Go. Change it. Change it. Change it. Mama scared. Change it. Daddy scared. Change it.
Change
Little
it.
mama say, baby, change that light bulb.
Change the light bulb.
Change it. Change it. Here we go.
Alan had to find out for himself that he
Change
needed
it.
connectivity.
Come on.
Hands on, waist, and chicken egg. Oh yeah.
One and yes, come on.
Flap those wings. Flap them. Come on, chicken. Come on, chicken. Work.
Come on, get
Now we
it.
got the dump. And dump. Do the 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 dump.
Move your head.
Do the dump.
Yes, and
Walk. And smile. And snap. And smile. And walk. And smile. Show me big smiles. You can do it. Come on.
you can do it,
And walk
yes, and
slower. Get your breath slower. Get some oxygen. Breathe in deeply. Again.
and then
The stretch. The tricep. The trap. Stop. Other side. Hold it.
stretch your
And
arm.
hold it. Roll the neck out. Roll it.
And roll your head.
Change direction and roll it. And roll it. And roll it. And roll it. Okay, look ahead. 1, 2, 3, sit.
And we see all of the snakes have become hypnotized by our own. Coming into your snake pose again, everyone. Now it's our chance to cross over the stepping stones. We stand up.
Stand up.
Tiptoe across, ready, tiptoe. We come to a mound in the sand, and up above us is a big light beaming through a hole in the ceiling of the cave. There's a spade. Could this be where the treasure is buried? Only one way to find out. Let's dig. We take the spade, crisscrossing our fingers behind our back, and we fold forwards to dig. Ready? 1, outside the cave. It's the monkeys doing their special call of banana pants. Coming into your monkey pose.
Monkey pose. Monkey
1,
pose.
2, 3.
Banana pants.
That must mean the pirates are coming. Quick, everyone, we're going to have to go. We take hold of the treasure chest, lifting it all the way up and putting it into our backpack.
Like
And
an
from the
obvious
whole of
present.
us, a rope falls down. We wrap our bodies around it, wrapping our leg around, and then wrapping our arms around, and we climb up the rope. We switch sides, crossing our other leg around the rope and our other arm around, and we climb up a little bit higher. We've done it, and we can hear the snakes below hissing at the pirates. Thanks, snakes. Look, the monkeys have come to help us get away. They show us how to swing through the trees. We reach and swing. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. This is fun. We swing all the way back to the beach, where our friend Popcorn the dolphin is waiting for us. We hop onto her back, coming down to our knees. Crisscross your fingers and down onto your elbows. Well done, Cosmic Kids. You've done it. Now, let's get away. And we start to dive through the waves. After that amazing adventure, we're quite happy to be carried on Popcorn's back. So we lie ourselves all the way down, resting ourselves. What an amazing adventure. We managed to pull over onto our sides. We come up to sit with our legs crossed and our hands together at our hearts.
You ready?
And we finish just the way we started, with our secret yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done, everyone. That was a great pirate adventure. I hope you come back soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.
Let's play music. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if this is your first time watching, please like and subscribe. And like and subscribe our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.